welcome to my channel. My name is Reni. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really do appreciate you for taking your time out of your busy day to watch this video. You have no idea, it means the absolute world to me. So on my channel, I make content about financial literacy, career development, and lifestyle. And today's video is going to be a financial literacy type, real estate type video, okay? If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I have been to Kigali, Rwanda, twice so far, and I showed you properties each time I went. Surprised, I am in Kigali once again for the third time, and today I'm going to be showing you another property, and this one is worth 200,000 US dollars. And I am in it right now. You can see that it's very beautiful, but today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the property. I'm going to walk you through it, and then if you want to know how to actually invest as a foreign investor in Kigali, you can let me know by commenting down below, and I will make a whole video about how to actually invest, because it's not just like you go there and you buy a house. There are a few things that you need to consider. So if you want to see that video, make sure you comment down below, and if you like this kind of content, please hit that like button, because it really does help me know that you like this content. So this property is Kisima Apartments, and it is located in Kicukiro Nyanza. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm sorry to all the Rwandans who are going to crucify me, but I hope I tried, okay? So this is a location that is just 15 minutes from the city center, and it is very close to the airport as well. It's on the roadway to the airport. You have an amazing view from this property, which obviously is a great perk. And this property itself is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but it's actually a loft style apartment, which is pretty nice. So the loft style, I'm standing in the top loft right now, and then below you have a living room, some bedrooms, and things like that. So as I said, this property is about $200,000 right now, and it has never been lived in until obviously the first person, which could be you, decides to purchase it. If you are planning on buying it in order to rent out to people, this property can rent anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 US, and it depends if you're going to furnish it or not. So if you furnish it, you're going to get that $2,500 to $3,000 range. So that's a pretty good price, especially for the price point at 200K and the great location that it currently has. The apartment is not yet finished, so if you did want to purchase it now, you would just have to contact the developer, and I will leave that in the description box, and you can go through it with them. So, are you ready to go and see the property? Let's go! The first thing we're going to start off with is the loft, which I think is probably the best part of this property. And if we look at this gorgeous view, you can see, you know, Rwanda is the land of 1,000 hills, so you can see a lot of the city just from here. You can see the city center, you can see across the city, you can see pretty much everything from here, which is great. Then if we get into the actual bedroom/bathroom, there will be a bed here. Right now it's empty, but there will be a bed here. And here you can see a lovely bathroom that's en suite. There is a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. So you have a full bathroom actually. And I really love this space. I think it will look gorgeous when it is actually furnished, and we'll be able to see, you know, how it will look furnished. I love that there's a lot of natural light here as well. And let me take you into the next room now. So if we go into the next room, you see there's a lovely stairs that connects this loft into the main floor, and this is where the entrance is. And there are 2 bedrooms that are on this floor currently. So I'll first show you the kitchen. The kitchen is not finished as well, but you can see that there is it's a pretty small kitchen in my opinion, but I feel like it'll look very nice once it's finished and designed. If I look over here, there is also the balcony where I think they call it a service area, where you can have your gas tank, you can have your washing machine, you can have pretty much anything there that you do not really want inside of the home. Now let's go on to the living room. The living room is huge. It's very spacious and a lot of natural light coming in, which I love. If we open this door, you'll see that you're overlooking the other building, and then you can also see the city from here as well. Gorgeous views, gorgeous. Okay, now let's go into the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It is a good size. I think you could probably fit a queen bed or maybe even a king in here. It's a pretty good size. And again, it has a private balcony, so you are able to enjoy the sunlight and lounge by yourself and with privacy. And if you're going to be the person who's in this bedroom, you have a bathroom right beside it that is all yours, and also for guests if they do come. Next, we have the next bedroom, and this set is the third bedroom that I'm going to be showing you. This one has a full bathroom as well. As I said, it has the tub, it has the shower, it has the nice fixtures. It's really beautiful and I would say very modern looking. Of course, this is a brand new building, so what did we expect? And lastly, this is the last bedroom. Again, very sizable. I believe this property is about 212 square meters, so it's pretty big. And for 3 people, I'm sure you can probably fit 6 people in this space, even more than that. If you would like to purchase this property, feel free to reach out to the developers at Kasima Apartments. I will leave their information in the description box so you can reach out to them directly. So let me know if you would like to see more properties here while in Kigali. I have lots more to see, so I would love to show you them if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!